All right, question 5. And again, on mine, let's see. That is problem 1.2.27. All right. So we're supposed to graph this one. Well, let's see. Well, let's start with the parent function, which is just an x squared graph, and see. Hopefully you remember that's your basic parabola. 0 for x would give you a 0y for 0 squared. 1 would give you a 1. Negative 1 squared is positive 1. And then when you go to 2, it's up there, you know, at 4. Negative 2 is up there at 4. So it's that one that's got that curve to it for your basic parent graph of a parabola. But then what's this going to do out in the front? So every one of these answers of x squared, so when we had like 1 here, that's going to be, instead, it's going to be 2/9. So that's like way down here somewhere. And when you go out to this one, it's going to be 4 times 2/9. So again, it's going to be way down here somewhere. So what it's going to do is it's going to make these arms grow slower, like that. So it's going to be wider, and they call that, it's like compressed. It's pressed, like you press those arms down. So when we go to graph that, I don't think we need to be all that specific. We just need the vertex and like that first 2/9. Or maybe we want to go out there and say when x is 3, because the 3 squared would be a whole number 9. Well, it's going to be a 9, and then that's going to cancel that denominator. So if I put in a x of 3, so this is 2/9 times 3 squared. That 3 could be like over a 1. And so that's going to make it so like this 9 and this 9 cancels. So the answer is just a 2. That might give us a more precise number to put on the graph. So pick your numbers for x carefully, and particularly, so, you know, so you can get the fractions to cancel. So let's go try this. Pop out here to our graphing tool. We need a regular parabola. And then I'm going to go over here. My vertex is still at the origin, 0, 0. But then what did we say? It says I'm on the line tool here. Well, let me put my next point. Oh, there it is. So my second point, I wanted 3. 1, 2, 3, up at 2. I think I just accidentally hit the exact button I wanted. So it says 3, 2, and I could drag it to another spot if I want. But that's exactly where I want. 0, 0. That was right here. And then I want 3, 2 for one of my next points. So let's submit that. Save it. Check again on my graph. See if I've got 0, 0. Now when I go over to 3, it looks like it's going through 2. So let's check that answer. And let's see if there's nothing else we need to do on that problem. So again, I hope that helps you when you go to do yours.